disgusting and filthy. What's next? Okay, good cops. I back any male cop. The fuck is a woman gonna breathe on me and think I fucking listen to that?
Let's start walking out.
Bitch! Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt her. I didn't mean to hurt her. Okay.
On June 1st, 2024, a female was trespassed from a hotel due to her disturbing behavior. However, she refused to leave and caused a scene. Unable to resolve the matter, the hotel staff contacted authorities requesting an officer to respond to the scene. Let's uncover what actually happened.
Hi. How are you? Great people, great. She is, I don't know what's wrong with her, but she's just screaming at us. She's supposed to be checking out like at 12 o'clock.
She was supposed to be going on then?
Yes. And she was hiding in the sheets. Well, the housekeeping were going to go ahead and kill him. And then she stopped yelling at me. She said, she called Hilton. Hilton, no. Terrified. Oh my God, they're going to break me up. Ma'am? 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 I need you to open the door, please. Please.
You guys have that deal? For the deadbolts?
Yes. Can you ask,
Okay, thank you.
is he?
You don't know how to use this?
The fork?
The same one that you have?
The one what?
The one that you have?
This is the one that I used.
I just got it too. You can just get that away. Yeah, thank you. Don't attack me. Last time this happened, I had to call the cops because a woman raped me. Don't do it again.
Ma'am, we are the cops.
Okay, good.
Can you step away from the door?
Can you step away from the door so we can go in?
The last time this happened, they didn't answer the questions properly. Okay, so what are my Miranda rights?
Can you
What
open
are
the
my
door,
Miranda
please?
rights?
Can you
I
open the
cannot
door,
open the
please?
door till you tell me my Miranda rights.
Can you open the door, please?
Okay. Okay, can you close it to open it? Can I close it and then I'll open it? Okay. Okay. Let's talk about what is the question? Miranda rights, do I have them? What are they?
You need to get your belongings so we
Okay, what are my Miranda rights?
get your belongings.
Do I have Miranda rights? What are my Miranda rights?
We're not asking.
What are my Miranda rights?
Ma'am,
What are my
you need your
Miranda
belongings? You need to come out
Miranda rights? Do I have them?
so we can.
What are my Miranda rights? Can someone read me my Miranda rights?
You have the right to remain silent and these state county movies against the court law. You have the right to a lawyer. I'm present with you. If you question, if you cannot afford a high lawyer, won't be upon a representation for any question or fees. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and answer my questions, making you submit. Do you understand these rights? I've read them to you and explained them to you.
Yeah.
Cool. Understand these rights? You wish to speak to me?
Yeah.
Cool. Alrighty. Well, we're here because you need to leave.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Can you get your belongings so we can step out?
Sure.
Cool. Thank you.
Do you guys want to watch me leave? Because
Yeah, that's
okay, that's okay. Sluts. Sorry, no offense. Or whatever they said. Sluts, bitches, whores. What's next?
After forcefully opening the door, the officer encountered this irrational female. Instead of answering basic questions, she continuously asked about her Miranda rights as if she were studying for a law exam. It was confusing. Her fixation on Miranda rights turned into a full-blown interrogation of the officers, but they weren't there for a debate, but to get her out.
She's hella food.
Oh my God, sluts. I won't say it in a different way. Not today. I'll be nice today, slut. I'm nice today, you fucking slut. No, dude. You're a bitch.
What's your plan to do after this?
I was trying to get a Verbo, but then Verbo stopped working.
What's verbal?
It's an app.
Oh, okay. Is it like a car app?
No, it's like an app to get a hotel, but it's better than a hotel because Airbnb blocked me.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, Zimmer got me that book.
I'm gonna assume you have a place to get food and stuff like that after this?
What's the question?
You have a place to get food and stuff like
No,
that?
I don't.
No?
Nope. I already got food.
Okay, good. You already fed yourself?
No, not really. I didn't really eat.
No,
I
not
took like one bite and I was like, I'm not hungry. Did you guys eat today? The last time a woman cop came, she said, "You have no Miranda rights," and then she was like, "You're going to prison." And then she sent me to prison, and I had to go in a dungeon, and it was awful. Nasty fucking filthy whores. I hate women cops. Ew. Why do I hate women cops? Oh, because my ex-boyfriend was like, "I'm cheating on you with your mom." I was like, that's fucking slutty. He was like, "I'm 15, she molested me, what do I do about it?" I was like, "I don't know, break up with me." He was like, "You break up with me first." I was like, "You're my protection right now, bitch. What do I do about that?" "Not you, bitch, slutty ass slut. Don't look at me up and down. I need to do shit. Fucking sluts, I hate when they look at me!" God, if a woman looks at me again, I'm gonna get scared. Okay,
You
sorry.
need to stop.
Okay, I'll stop.
Throw something at her again and you're going to
I was
handcuffs.
throwing it at the wall.
Okay, just understand that.
Understand what?
You throw something at the officer again and you go in handcuffs.
You get cuffs. Okay.
You have 5 minutes to get the rest of your stuff.
Okay.
14:49, 1:49.
What time is it right now?
1:49.
Oh, okay.
You have less than a minute
To do what?
to get your stuff so you can get out.
And do what?
So you can.
Oh, be on the streets again. I forgot another night of being on the streets because a bad cop. Oh, the female cops. Okay, got it. So what's next? Bad female cops. Oh, it's a bad whore? Okay, the bad cochinas. Got it. What's next? He was like, bad. I was like, what are you saying next? Bad female cops, bad cochinas, bad girls. Oh, they're in the bad girls club. Well, I don't want to be in the bad girls club. I was like, I'll wait till I get married, you whores. Dumbass bitches, slutty ass whores. Get away. I hate women. When a woman raped me and I told people they were like, "You're a liar," I was like, okay. Tell me one more time.
Do you want to trespass? Yes, please. Okay.
Okay, that hurt, and no one believed me. And then I said,
The
no.
what, I'm sorry?
I'm gonna take some pictures of the room.
Okay.
Physically asleep.
Her exit was not going to be simple. She insulted the female officer for past arrests. I am confused about her behavior. Finally, she admitted that Airbnb blocked her, but I don't understand why she showed no regret or signs of anxiety about being blacklisted. She gave dramatic answers to every question, turning a simple situation into a complicated one.
And someone's touching you and you're physically asleep? That's
Matt, what was your first name?
Huh?
What was
You
your
didn't
first
ask me my first name. You said my first
They
name.
want your trespass.
Who's they? Oh, good.
You want your trespass?
Okay. I'll tell them later.
No, I need it.
Who's they? Who's they?
If you don't give it to me,
Who's management? I'll tell management. I'll go downstairs and tell management my first name.
No, you're gonna tell this officer.
Which officer?
me.
One officer.
Oh, okay, Sienna.
Sienna?
No!
What's your name?
Sienna.
How do you spell
Why'd you
that?
say Sierra? Who came up with that name?
Where's your ID at?
I don't have one.
Okay, how do you spell your first name? How do you spell your first name?
Sunaina.
And your last? How do you spell your last name?
Oh, B.
You understand what trespass means?
Yeah,
Okay,
that was
so
a
you're gonna be
crime.
trespassed from this property. If you
Okay.
come back on the property at
I know
all,
what trespassing means.
You can't
You're
be
gonna get
arrested or
I get a warrant for my
cited, okay?
arrest. And it's not like this doesn't happen until I'm
thank you.
I'm like, who is so gay they can't function? Oh my god. Who is outside right now?
All the officers?
That's fine. I don't care about officers, but who's outside right now that's bad? Okay, are you sure? Because that's what happened last time, and the officers threw me out because they said there was horny people everywhere, and I was like, what horny person wants to kill me? Because I said, I'm gonna stay here because that's what they said. I checked the app. Where's my phone? The app was like, it literally said check out tomorrow. Where the fuck is the app? I literally checked it right when the fucking whore was banging on the door. And she was like, I'm gonna break down the door. I was like, this is deja vu, because that happened when I went to the last hotel, or the last Virgo. It's always a slut at the door saying, if you don't die, Sierra will actually murder you. I was like, guys don't want to murder me. Why does a woman want me dead? Not like physically, not like sexually dead. Women want me murdered. And I was like, why? Why do they want me murdered? Why the fuck do they want to murder me?
You want me to roll this outside?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't forget this proof of the
Shut up, swallow. Dumbass whore.
whatever clothing this is. Yeah, that's whatever.
Yeah, sports bar right here.
Start taking that stuff outside, please.
Okay, this way.
Can you have carrying that up?
Probably.
Which bag?
I can carry all these bags.
Oh,
All
okay.
these two?
You can hold all the bags.
Okay.
Okay.
Just your wheelchair or whatever.
I don't have a wheelchair. You have a wheelchair? You're a grandma. Yeah, grandma's lesbian. Why? Grandma's a lesbian. No, she's not. She wants dick. Okay, give grandma dick. What else? Oh, that's it. Everything. hang up. I know Grandma wants to take. I'm like, guys, get her my boyfriend. They're like, waiting to figure out her an Indian woman. I was like, you're fucking retarded and slutty, bitch. Die. Slutty ass mom. Okay, what's up? Fucking sluts.
The woman gathered all her bags and belongings as if she were leaving this hotel to move into a royal palace. However, the story didn't end here. She turned it into a complete mess, like waging a war against the female officers. Her biggest enemy was not the law, but rather the women in uniform. But was she genuinely frustrated at the female officers, or was she just looking for someone to blame?
So that bitch ass whore got scared of what? Little old Sierra? Why? You sluts. You're disgusting and filthy. What's next? Okay, good cops. I back any male cop. The fuck is a woman gonna breathe on me and think I'd fucking listen to that?
Let's
Bitch.
start walking out.
I don't like it when women breathe around me. No, or sniffle around me. Okay, that's fine. Damn it, it always happens like that.
Okay.
Sluts everywhere. Scared sluts, why? Okay, she's a fucking slut. You have to learn how to speak respectfully, or you're gonna die in your own cochina. Fucking cochina. Cochina, the open kitchen. Who has an open kitchen? Bitch, slutty ass lesbians and bisexual women and every woman ever is a lying slut. Oh, they're not even bi, they're just evil. Duh, I've been saying that for so long. How long do I have to say it? Say it one more time, slut. Female cop, say what? Say what, bitch? Say what? You're gonna stand in here because you're authority? You're a fucking whore. Next. No, I hate women that think they're authority. I'm like, you guys are retarded.
Okay.
Retarded ass sluts. Cochina. Sorry, I have to get rid of that. I don't want that thing, but I don't want that thing. Go ahead.
We're not doing this. Okay, stop.
Last time I got stuck in an elevator. I got the last time I got stuck in an elevator. Slut. What's next? Sorry, not on you, on her. I was like, why do they want to molest me? Oh, it's not. Oh, it's called you get molested. No one believes you. By a woman. Men, that's fine. I didn't get raped. I was like, did this happen or not? Yes or no? Women molest me. No one believes me. Why? No one would believe it because I was asleep at the time? Who cares? Physically asleep. Bitch! Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt her. I didn't mean to hurt her. Okay.
Put your body back. Put your body back.
I actually didn't mean to
Take
hurt
off your
her.
pants.
What?
Take off your purse.
Oh, okay. Arrested for what? Warrant?
No.
Do I have a
You're
warrant?
not a peace officer.
Oh. What's a battery? What's a battery? Don't throw things? People get mad?
Let's go.
What about all my stuff? No?
Specifically, when you throw things at us.
Oh, I didn't know that. But they threw things at me.
Inside the elevator, the woman was stopped from throwing things, but she was determined to test the police's patience. However, what was the outcome? Handcuffs. That was when her behavior suddenly changed, and she started telling emotional stories, while in reality, she had already created an enormous problem.
From Las Cruces?
I don't like those. I don't like going to jail here.
So were you born here?
Born in Las Cruces?
Yeah.
No, I was born in Cincinnati, but I lost my passport. It's going to the Verbo that trespassed me.
Do you have any family here in Las Cruces? No, they're all from Cincinnati? Where at?
What's family? Like, where does my parents live?
Yeah.
Houston.
Okay, so you don't have anyone you can contact here in Las Cruces that lives here? You just go place to place? Do you have a vehicle here?
No, my car's at my parents' house. My mom put it in her name.
Okay, so how'd you get here? You just got an Uber somewhere?
Lyft
Okay.
or Uber.
Oh, there you go.
One
Yeah.
of those. I don't know.
Okay. And you understand why you're in handcuffs, correct?
I threw something. I was mad. I was looking in the back booth.
At an officer. So I'm just letting you know that's why you're in handcuffs, okay?
Well, the last time I got arrested was because a woman told me that I was bad and I wasn't doing anything. I was like drawing. I was like writing a poem. And then they came to Whataburger and they're like, you're trespassing. And I was like, no, I'm not. They're trying to charge my phone. And then they were like, what's your charger? I was like, I have like multiple chargers. So like, I pulled out my chargers and that's when she arrested me and attacked me. And then I said, what are my Miranda rights? And then she did what you guys did and like took away all my stuff and said you're going to jail. And then when I got to jail, they were like, this is, and then they said, who's Reba McEntire? What's your favorite color? And then they asked me another question, and I was like, what are you guys saying? And then I had to go in a dungeon in the basement, and then I had to sit there for like, I don't know how many days, and then finally I left.
Well, when's the last time you got some sleep, Suana?
I slept for like 14 hours last night, and then I woke up.
Last night?
Yeah. Well, I don't know, because I thought it was 4 p.m., and then it was, they were like, it's 4 p.m., and then they said it was,
Did you sleep last night though?
what's night?
Or did you sleep? Did you sleep at all? Have you slept at all?
Today?
Or yesterday?
I didn't sleep for a couple days.
So when's the
I
last
was on
time?
the streets.
When's the last time you slept though?
I took like a power nap for like an hour and a half.
Okay. When's the last time you ate? Well, you actually
I took like 2 bites.
Okay. You know what city you're in?
Massachusetts.
Okay. You know what state?
Mexico.
You know the
Yeah,
president?
this is the first place I went after rehab.
Do you know who the president is?
Biden.
Okay, just making sure. Okay, I just want to make sure. All right. Okay. All right.
In the end, when the officers asked her questions, she responded confusedly. Surprisingly, when asked who the country's president was, she answered correctly. This proved that she still had some awareness and understanding left. Thankfully, the officers quickly resolved the matter and placed her in jail.